Hello, we're doing a get ready with me today. I'm doing a voiceover. So today I have a little bit of a rash. I'm going to do my makeup anyway, starting off with the Double Serum by Clarins. This is my favorite. I'm actually emptied this out. I can't believe it. That's how much I absolutely love it. So use one of your favorite serums of choice. For moisturizer, I'm using Elemis. I love this because it has SPF in it, and that's killing two birds with one stone. So I love that. Now, if you have any extra, remember to use it on your neck and on your hands. For foundation, I'm using two different kinds of light reflecting. I'm having a lot of problems with my products today. I'm using Punjab and Valencia, mixing the two just to get the right skin tone because I have a little bit of a tan. I'm using a beauty blender. Actually, these I got at Ross. They're really inexpensive, but any beauty sponge that you have. Born This Way, multi-use concealer in shortbread. It's my favorite. I let that sit and pick up some pigment while I'm going into my brows with the Kush Brow Gel. This creates fibers on your brows. I like to take a little of that product off because there's a lot in there. This is taupe, and then I let it sit and chill for a little bit, and then I'm blending out my under eye with the Angie Hot and Flashy and BK Beauty 506 brush. It's my all-time favorite. Today I'm switching it up with Veil by Hourglass setting powder to set everything. As you know, I always set my under eye with a powder, and you should too if you want it to stay all day and not crease. Going straight into this beautiful NARS palette, I'm going to use this really cool tone to contour my nose. I'm going to go straight down, and you know, you guys have seen me do this a million times. Snatch up that nose, just make it a little bit straighter, add a little bit more definition. I love this part of the makeup process. It's one of my faves. Can't live without it. If you've never contoured your nose, try it. It'll make such a big difference. The Lawless bronzer right here, I mean, it's really, really a deep color. I love it. I love going really crazy on my bronzer, and I keep adding more bronzers as we go. All right, I did my eyebrows. I did them off camera, and of course I did the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. It's my favorite, and I have big, thick, fluffy brows. So here I am going in with more bronzer if I wasn't dark enough from NARS. This is also the new NARS blushes, so I'm going to go ahead and I like to go a little heavy on my blush. I brought this out from the vault. It's a highlighter from Makeup Forever. Oh my God, love it. I mean, I used to love highlighters so much, and I'm so glad people are using highlighter again. I guess this is the all NARS day. Look at this beautiful eyeshadow palette, but I wanted to show you how you don't need to use brushes. So I'm just using my finger, and I'm going all over the lid with this really beautiful like plum color. So you don't need to buy expensive brushes. If you just keep practicing with your fingers, you can get kind of good at it. This darker plum, I'm gonna use just on the outer V, and you see how I just kind of stamp it in? I like my finger because I can really feel of where the crease is, where I want the color to go. So I'm just gonna kind of play around with this a little bit. Then this beautiful little bronzy color with some glimmer, I'm going right on top just to add some dimension and some vavoom to the whole look. Okay, this eye method pen, you guys, it's $8 on my Amazon store. I'm doing like my thick baby wing right there, and yeah, that's about how I do it. I'll do the other side too. YSL for mascara. This stuff is so good. Oh my God, I've been using it every day. And then I'm using an Exa lip liner. I'm going to show you how I do my lips here. Today I'm lining first. Usually I line second, but I just thought I would like change it up a little bit. So I'm overlining just a little bit and evening out my lips because they are uneven. This is more like a contour of the lips. You guys always ask. Then I'm using my favorite lipstick. This is Lawless. This is in Annie, but of course I mix it with so many other colors because I'm a nude lipstick crazy person, but I just wanted to show you how this looks. Then I use my finger to kind of blend out that overline with the Annie Lawless. And of course, I'm never satisfied, so I'm feeling like I need a little bit more beige. So I'm using the end of my, oh my God, this is Lawless in Child. This is my favorite color of all time. I'm gonna add it with my finger, just kind of pat it into the lips. I play around so much with my lips. I'm gonna add another color later on down the road, just letting you know, lips for me are never ending. I'm always adding and changing them up. But that's basically the end of this makeup look. And then of course, I'm wearing my sleepy tie. I slept in it last night, and this is how it looks. It's so easy when you don't want to do your hair. My hair is basically done. I'm just going to do my middle part and then kind of zhuzh it the way I like. So I like the front pieces to be down, so I hair train with these little clippies. I let it sit there for 5 minutes, let them kind of like settle in, and then I take them out and spray them. See, I told you I was going to add, this is a Peach by Laura Mercier because I didn't like the color. Then I spray down my hair just so it's not going to move. It's going to hold that beautiful wave from the sleepy tie. Take it out, zhuzh it a little bit more, and then spray it a little bit more. Love this hairspray. It's the best. And that's the end of the look. Hope you guys love this. If you want to see more of these, let me know. Put a comment below. And yeah, that's all she wrote. Hope you loved. Bye.